Now take a book to split the word Advent of the Europeans. Advent of the Europeans. Okay, you should read along with me. After the capture of Constantinople by the Turks in AD CE 1453, the land route between India and Europe was closed. See this one. The Turks penetrated into North Africa and the Balkan Peninsula. It became imperative on the part of the European nations to discover new sea routes to the east. Audio-visual means possessing both a sound and a visual component such as slide tape and presentations. Audio-visual service providers frequently offer web streaming, video conferencing, and live broadcast services. Television, films, internet are called audio-visual media. Portugal. Amongst the entire European nations, Portugal was the foremost to make a dynamic attempt to discover a sea route to India. Prince Henry of Portugal, who is commonly known as the Navigator, encouraged his countrymen to take up the adventurous life of exploring the unknown regions of the world. Bartholomew Dias, a Portuguese sailor, reached the southernmost point of Africa in 1487. He was patronized by the King John II. Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama was Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama, another Portuguese sailor, reached the southernmost point of Africa and he continued his journey to Mozambique, from where he sailed to India with the help of an Indian pilot. In AD CE 1498, he reached Calicut, where he was cordially received by King Jamorin, the ruler of Calicut. A second Portuguese navigator, Pedro Alves Cabral, sailed towards India, following this route discovered by Vasco da Gama with 13 ships and a few hundred soldiers in 1500. On his arrival at Calicut, there arose conflicts between the Portuguese and King Jamorin. Vasco da Gama came to India for the second time in 1501 with 20 ships, founded a training center at Kannanur. One after another, they established factories at Calicut and Cochin. King Jamorin attacked the Portuguese in Cochin but was defeated. Cochin was the first capital of the Portuguese East India Company. The third voyage of Vasco da Gama was 1524. He soon fell in, and in December 1524 he died in Cochin. Francisco de Almeida 1505 to 1509. In 1505, Francisco de Almeida was sent as the first governor for the Portuguese possessions in India. Almeida had the aim of developing the naval power of the Portuguese in India. His policy was known as the Blue Water Policy. As Portuguese tried to break the Arabs' monopoly on Indian Ocean trade, it negatively impacted on the trade interests of Egypt and Turkey. Sultans of Bijapur and Gujarat were also apprehensive of the expansion of the Portuguese control of ports, which led to an alliance between Egypt, Turkey and Gujarat against Portuguese invaders. In a naval battle found near Chahul, the combined Muslim fleet won a victory over the Portuguese fleet under the Almeida's son, who was killed in the battle. Almeida defeated the combined Muslim fleet in a naval battle near Diu, and by the year 1509, Portuguese claimed the naval supremacy in Asia. Alfonso de Albuquerque, 1509 to 1515. The real founder of the Portuguese power in India was Alfonso de Albuquerque. He captured Goa from the Sultan of Bijapur in November 1510. In 1515, he established the Portuguese authority over Hormuz in Persian Gulf. He encouraged the marriages of the Portuguese with Indian women. He maintained friendly relations with the Vijayanagar Empire. Nino de Chunha, 1529 to 1538. Governor Nino de Chunha moved capital Cochin to Goa in 1530. In 1534, he acquired Basin from Bahadur Shah of Gujarat. In 1537, the Portuguese occupied Diu. Later, they wrested Daman from the local chiefs of Gujarat. In 1548, they occupied Sarsit. During the 16th century, Portuguese succeeded in capturing Goa, Daman, Diu, Sarsit, Basin, Chahul and Bombay on the western coast, Hooghly on the Bengal coast and Santhom on the Madras coast, and enjoyed good trade benefits. The Portuguese brought the cultivation of tobacco to India. Due to the influence of the Portuguese, Catholic religion spread in certain regions on India's western and eastern coast. The printing press was set up by the Portuguese at Goa in 1556. A scientific work on the Indian medicinal plants by the European writer was printed at Goa in 1563. In 17th century, the Portuguese power began to decline to the Dutch, and by 1739, the Portuguese pockets became confined to Goa, Diu and Daman. Up to this, today book reading completed. Now take your material to first Roman, third question. First Roman, third question. Why Prince Henry is called Henry the Navigator? Prince Henry of Portugal, who is commonly known as the Navigator, encouraged his countrymen to take up the adventurous life of exploring the unknown regions of the world. Third question. Why Prince Henry is called Henry the Navigator? Prince Henry of Portugal, who is commonly known as the Navigator, encouraged his countrymen to take up the adventurous life of exploring the unknown regions of the world. Fourth question. Name the important factories established by the Dutch in India. After the arrival in India, the Dutch founded the first wheat factory in Masulipatanam, Andhra Pradesh in 1605. The other important factories in India were Pulicat, Surat, Sinsura, Kasim Bazar, Patna, Nahapatnam, Balasore and Cochin. Fourth question. Name the important factories established by the Dutch in India. After the arrival in India, the Dutch founded the first factory in Masulipatanam, Andhra Pradesh in 1605. The other important factories in India were Pulicat, Surat, Chinsura, Kazim Bazar, Patna, Nahapatnam, Balasore and Cochin. And next Roman. Fifth question. Mention the trading centers of the English in India. The English had established the trading centers at Surat, Agra, Ahmedabad and Bhuj. The English had established the trading centers at Surat, Agra, Ahmedabad and Bhuj. Next, second Roman, second question. How did the fall of Constantinople affect the European nations. The fall of Constantinople was the end of an era for Europe as it severely hurt traders in the European region. The land route between India and Europe was closed. The Turks penetrated into North Africa and the Balkan Peninsula. It became imperative on the part of the European nation to discover new sea routes to the east. Once again, first point, the fall of Constantinople was the end of an era for Europe as it severely hurt traders in the European region. The land route between India and Europe was closed. The Turks penetrated into North Africa and the Balkan Peninsula. It became imperative on the part of the European nations to discover new sea routes to the east. Next, worksheet. Worksheet 1. Advent of the Europeans. Choose the correct answer. The National Archives of India is located at Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, New Delhi, Assam. Second question. The most of the records in Tamil Nadu archives are in Tamil, English, French and Hindi. Third question. The period of Danyan record is A. 1777 to 1845, B. 1888 to 1945, C. 1643 to 1765, D. 1700 to 1800. Fourth question. The paintings and dash are the main sources of modern Indian history. Coins, buildings, pictures and statues. What was the first coinage introduced in modern India? 1962, 1862, 1878 and 1664. Sixth question. The first issue of Calendar of Madras was published in 1919, 1917, 1918, 1920. That helps to preserve and promote our cultural heritage. Parks, books, museum, beaches. Madras Record Office is presently known as TNA, NAI, RBA and TMA. And Vasco da Gama was a Dutch sailor. Dutch, Portuguese, British, French. 10th question. Dutch was the first capital of the Portuguese East India Company. Calicut, Thane, Cochin and Kolkata. Fill in the blanks. First Roman, first question. Second Roman, first question. We can write easily. We can write history with the help of dash and dash sources. The first paper currency issued in the year. Third question. The Prince of Henry of Portugal is called as the dash. Fourth question. The dash at Delhi is the largest museum in India. Fifth question. The first paper currency had portrait in the of the king dash. Match the following, right side and left side. St. Francis Church, Madras. St. George Church, New Delhi. St. Louis Fort, Cochin. St. David Fort, Pondicherry. Parliament Fort, Kudalur. Next Roman. Find the odd one out. Archives and material sources. Coin, paper currency, NAI, RBI. Second question. Museum, forts, coins, record. Say true or false. Vasco da Gama came to India in 1598. Second question. Vasco da Gama is a Portuguese sailor. Sixth Roman. Answer in one word. Where was Saint David Fort built? Second question. Who is called the father of National Archives of India? Okay. You should write all the one neatly. Take a photo and send the answer through WhatsApp. Thank you students. See you in next class.